Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, March 21st. Futures pointing to a nice open coming up this morning. Back to the upside we go after a nice bounce yesterday. Back to positive territory right across the board for North American markets to kick off the week. This is how things are shaping up so far this morning. Positive numbers top to bottom to look at this point, including more positivity for Bitcoin and Ethereum at the bottom end of the board, coming off of what was quite the weekend for both. We'll have a look at crypto markets coming up here. Once again this morning, a little more calm throughout the banking sector today, so we'll shift focus now to what is to come on Wednesday this week with the Fed on deck, coming up at 2 p.m. on Wednesday, looking like a quarter point will be the outcome of the next raise from the Fed here. Just one note this morning, 10 a.m. we'll get U.S. existing home sales. We're going to get CPI data, Canadian CPI data, coming out at 8:30 in the pre-market, but nothing significant. Otherwise, that is how the market is looking so far. The S&P anyways, kind of working its way into this tight range on the daily chart. Same story for the Qs, back above 304, 305 this morning even for the Qs. Nice move, multi-day move off of the lows we saw recently. Meta to the upside this morning. Nice look, 2+% on a Morgan Stanley upgrade to overweight. We'll have a look at Meta shares coming off a decent start to the week as well. NVDA could be on watch as well. They have a 3-day conference underway. Today is the keynote speech. So we'll get the keynote at 11 a.m. from the CEO. They're apparently going to reveal a whole bunch of new products aimed specifically at AI computing. So NVIDIA on watch as well. FRC on a big bounce today as well. It was up more than 20% when I sat down. Not so much anymore. We're working our way back lower, but still, as I mentioned, finally maybe a little more calm coming back into this banking sector. Nice look for Amazon yesterday after, 9,000 and now 27,000 total job reductions from Amazon were announced. We'll have a look at Amazon trying to get back to the upside this morning as well. Stifel resuming coverage of Alphabet this morning with a buy rating also, so tech back in focus. We'll have a look at PDD. Google removed PDD's app from its Play Store, pointing to potential security problems from the Chinese e-commerce platform. Remember, they reported earnings yesterday. It was a big miss, downside for PDD. And Tesla, big time strength here in the pre-market for Tesla. BYD reducing shifts at its Chinese plant. We'll have a look at Tesla shares coming up as well. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code on screen right now. We're coming up live for you at 8:30. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.